Now we come to the next question, question number 3. A soft drink is available in 2 packs. A tin can with regular base of length of 5 cm and width 4 cm, having a height of 15 cm. And second part is a plastic cylinder with circular base of diameter 7 cm and height 10 cm. Which container has greater capacity? Now there are 2 containers. We are to find the volume of each of the container, and then we are to find which one has the more capacity, which one has the more volume. The more the volume, more is the capacity of the vessel. Now for tin can, L is 5 cm, B is 4 cm, H is 15 cm. L means length. Capacity L into B into H, 5 into 4 into 15, 300 cubic centimeter. For plastic cylinder, diameter is 7, radius is 7/2, height is 10. We find pi r square h, that is the capacity. It is 385 cubic centimeter. Obviously, the plastic cylinder has more volume than that of the tin can. How much? It is 385 minus 300 is equal to 85 cubic centimeter. Now we come to the next question, question number 4. If the lateral surface area of cylinder is 94.2 centimeter square, lateral surface area means curved surface area, and its height is 5 centimeter. The find number 1 radius of its base, number 2 its volume. Pi is given 3.14. Solution. The radius of the base is r, height is h. Lateral surface area is 94.2 centimeter square. Lateral surface area of cylinder is given by 2 pi rh. You have done it before. Lateral surface area means curved surface area of cylinder is 2 pi rh. It is 94.2. From here we get the value of r on solving. We get the value of r. R is equal to 3 centimeter. Now r is 3 and height is 5. Volume of cylinder we can find out, that is given by pi r square h. It is 3.14 into 3 square into 5, 141.3 cubic centimeter. Now question number 5. It costs rupees 2200 to paint the inner curved surface area of a cylindrical vessel 10 meter deep. If the cost of painting it at rate of rupees 20 per meter square, find inner curved surface area, number 2 radius of the base, number 3 capacity of the vessel. Now we come to the solution, that is inner curved surface area of the vessel is 2200 divided by 20. As rupees 20 is cost for 1 meter square, it is given 1 rupee is 1 by 20 and 2200 rupees is 1 by 20 into 2200, 110 meter square. From here we get the inner curved surface area. Second part, let the radius of base is r, h is 10. Now inner curved surface area is 110. It is given by 2 pi rh is equal to 110. Now put the values of h, pi and 2, and from here we get the value of r, that is 7/4, 1.75. Hence radius of base is 1.75 meters. Now third part, r is 1.75, h is 10. So capacity of vessel is pi r square h. Capacity means volume. Now we put the values, and on solving it, on multiplying and cancellizing, we get 96.25 cubic meter. It is 96.25 kiloliter is the capacity of the vessel.